आज हम अपनी इंग्लिश की पहली क्लास में सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे विशेस के बारे में। जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो हमें क्या कहना चाहिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we will divide a day into 3 parts: morning, noon, evening, and one more fourth one is night. 4 parts. So morning में आपका early morning till 12 o'clock means 11:59 time is that whenever we'll meet someone we'll always say good morning. Good morning sir, good morning ma'am, or good morning friends. It means it is a meeting salutation. Whenever we meet someone we must say good morning before 12, and from 12 till 4 o'clock, उनके 12 बजे से शाम के 4 बजे तक जब कभी भी हम किसी से मिलते हैं, whenever we meet someone, so meeting salutations should be good afternoon. Good afternoon sir, good afternoon friend, good afternoon ma'am, like this. And just like that, from 4 o'clock till late night, whenever we meet someone we must say good evening. It is a meeting salutation. We are talking about the meeting salutation. So friends, morning में यदि हम किसी से मिलेंगे तो what must we say? We must say good morning. And noon time में हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो we must say good afternoon. Just like if we'll meet someone in the evening time, we must say good evening. Okay, so all these are the meeting salutations. And the second one is parting salutation. Parting salutation means whenever we apart from someone. It means जब हम किसी से विदा लेते हैं, when we apart from that person, we must say in the morning time we must say have a good day sir, have a good day ma'am, or have a good day friends. In short, you can say good day, but the full form of that is have a good day or have a nice day. Just like that, in the noon time also, when we apart from someone we must say have a nice day or have a good day. And just in the evening time, when we apart from someone we must say, if suppose we will apart from that person, we must say good night from 5 to late night. If suppose we are not meeting that person again, if we will not meet that person again, so we must say good night to that person. Okay, so these are the two salutation. First is meeting salutation and the second is parting salutation. In meeting salutation, in the morning we will say good morning, noon time we will say good afternoon, and in evening time we will say good evening. And in parting salutation, in morning time we will say have a good day or have a nice day. In the noon time also we will say have a good day or have a nice day. Just like that. And in the evening time we will say good night to that person. Okay friends, this much for today. Bye. See you in the next class.